Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a review on my Gucci Ophidia bag for you guys. This was actually a requested video, which is super exciting because I was really wanting to film this video also. This is probably my favorite handbag of all time that I have throughout my whole collection. But if you're new here, welcome. My name is Natalie. I make fashion, beauty, and lifestyle videos. So if those videos interest you, then please consider subscribing below and sticking around to catch my next videos. So this is the Gucci Ophidia shoulder bag in the small size. So I know I've mentioned to you guys before when I was showing you guys this bag in my complete handbag collection video. I will pop that video up so that you guys can take a look at that video as well. This bag honestly has my heart and soul. This is my favorite bag that I have in my handbag collection. I'm absolutely in love with this bag. It has serious vintage vibes, and for me that is such a different kind of bag to be drawn to. Totally not my typical handbag that I would think that I would be picking out. Measurements, it's 10 inches by 7 inches by 3 inches. So as you can see, it's not that wide of a bag. It definitely doesn't hold too much. It's trimmed with a brown leather, and then it has the Supreme Gucci canvas. And it has their signature colors on here, the green and red stripe. And it does wrap all the way onto the back. So the back has the exact same pattern and detailing that the front has. On the front, it does have the gold Gucci Marmont symbol, the 2 GGs right there. And then it does have this stunning gold chain, which in my opinion makes this a super dressy bag because of that. I don't use this bag during the day. I do primarily use it as an evening bag. I have used it a couple times when I've gone shopping without my kids. I think that if I had got the one with, it's a different shape, but it's the similar with the canvas and the material stripe down the center. It does have a brown leather strap. If I had gone with that one, I would have used that one during the day for sure. So my absolute favorite feature about this bag is actually inside the bag. Now the bag does have a magnetic snap close closure. I've heard and I've actually watched videos about people not loving the fact that it has such a strong magnet on the top. It's not difficult to get into, but it does definitely have a strong magnet, which I don't know, I think that's a positive. I don't think that anyone would be able to get in your bag without you noticing. But it is a stronger magnet. There's two magnets, one on each side. So inside the bag is a stunning, and I just want to zoom in here for you guys to hopefully be able to get that color picked up. That is a blue silk lining that you guys can see inside there. It's absolutely stunning. That is honestly the best part about the bag, and such a surprise when you open the bag to be able to all of a sudden see that beautiful blue color. So you can see inside that it does have 2 separate compartments with a divider down the center. They're not huge compartments, and then it does have a little back flap back here. I haven't actually put anything in there, but it would be big enough for you guys to slip maybe a couple cards or so inside there. So you can see just a close-up of the space that is available inside. It's not huge. It's definitely not a big bag. If you did go up a size and get the medium size, obviously it would offer you more storage capacity inside your bag. So I'm gonna stuff the bag and I'll be able to show you guys just how much I am able to fit inside my bag. Okay, so the first item that I'm going to place inside the bag is a wallet. And now this is obviously a smaller, compact size wallet. This is my Louis Vuitton Zippy multi-cap wallet, and this is the smallest wallet that I do have. But another option that you could do would be to use a small pouch like the Louis Vuitton clay key pouch. You could just put your essential cards inside here, and then this would actually use up no space at all inside the bag and offer you a lot more room within the bag. But I am going to stuff it with a larger wallet just to show you how much you actually can fit inside this bag. So that would be the first item that I would be putting inside the bag. I'm just going to slip it down one of the sides. So I'll show you there. It's sitting right there. So the next item that I would be putting inside my bag would be my mini pochette. Now you may have just a similar pouch that, you know, this is just my bag catch-all. This would house all of my bag essentials, any medication that I need to carry with me. If I'm not going to be putting a cosmetic pouch inside my handbags, and I do actually put my lipstick or my lip gloss right inside here, so this is a definite must to go inside my bags. This is an item that I do transfer back and forth to do easy handbag switches. So I am going to put that actually in. Actually, I'm going to switch these, and I'm going to put my wallet in the front area of the bag. And I find the back pouch, I don't know if it actually is a little bit wider or not, but I find it's easier to fit the mini pochette in the back slot rather than the front divider section of the bag. So I've just put the wallet in the front, I've got the mini pochette in the back compartment there. So the next item I would be putting in my bag would be my cell phone. This is the iPhone X, just so you guys know for size comparison. So I am going to be putting it in the front. No, I'm going to put it in the back with the mini pochette. So I slid it just underneath the mini pochette there. So I've just got the two items in that area of the bag, and then I still just have the wallet in the front. So the final item that I would be putting in my bag are my keys, and this is my Louis Vuitton 6-ring key holder, and I'm going to place that just right down there next to my wallet. Sorry, it kind of slipped in there so you can't see it, but it is just right in there. So those are pretty much all of the items that I would need to carry around on a regular day basis. You can see I do have plenty of room where my keys are, where I would be able to stick even some sunglasses or something else in there. Can't really think of anything else that I would need to pop into a bag. I think this is pretty much it. And then you can see there that it does close as well. I'll open it up again for you guys to see. This one actually might need to lay down. Yeah, there. Okay. So I just changed the wallet. I've laid it down flat, still next to the keys. And then you can see there, it shuts no problem. I don't think it's very heavy. The chain itself is quite lightweight. So I'm just gonna show you how I have been wearing this bag. Because of the length, I'll let you know too, I'm 5'2". Because of the length of the chain, I think primarily it was supposed to be a shoulder bag. So when I'm wearing it on one shoulder, you can see it hits just below my waist, which I think is actually a really nice height for the bag. Over time, wearing it on one shoulder, I have worn it a couple of times shopping, and it does tend to dig into my shoulder. I think that can be expected though with any chain bag where there isn't a leather break at the top. It's not that it's a heavy bag, but I guess I am carrying quite a bit in the bag. It does over time get a little bit heavy. But I have noticed online, and initially I was very against this idea. I don't know if I just didn't find that my frame maybe fit wearing it crossbody, but I have noticed that people are starting to wear their bags crossbody and having them sit a little bit higher. So I haven't done this yet. I think that I will attempt to wear it this way. I probably won't wear this bag though until the spring or the summer when the rain has stopped. I am worried about the fabric strip. This is canvas, this is leather, but this part here is actually fabric. And I was told at the Gucci store in Holt Renfrew that the colors could bleed if it did get wet. So I have not actually worn this bag at all in the rain. And I would be worried too that there would be moisture that could sneak inside and damage the silk lining as well. But yeah, I'll let you guys know when I do wear it again. But I'm probably not going to be wearing it until the spring or the summer of this year. But I think I might actually try it out crossbody. I don't know. What do you guys think? Do you guys think that this looks okay on me? Or do you think that it would look better just wearing it on one shoulder as well? Which is primarily, up until now, this is the way that I have been wearing it. I'll show you again, crossbody, like this. I don't know, it's growing on me. I think it actually looks kind of cute this way. I've noticed that people are wearing like their Chanel bags, the classic flaps, a lot higher. When they sit crossbody, it is hitting a lot higher. So I don't know. It's a similar look. I don't hate it. but I just haven't done it yet. Anyways, I think on one shoulder for sure, it does look super, super cute. I haven't worn it with dark denim or black jeans either yet, so I'm not sure if you would have any color transfer. I know you probably could spray your clothes with like a Scotch Guard fabric spray that would prevent any color from leaving your clothing, and then you don't actually have to spray your bag. I did get that tip from watching Chase Amy's channel. I know she sprays her dark clothes all the time so that she doesn't get any color transfer. I just haven't worn it with anything dark yet. I've worn it with white pants, I've worn them with like a beige pants, and then I've worn them with light denim. Light denim so far, there's nothing that's been coming up on the bag at all. So a third way that you could wear the bag is to tuck the chain completely inside the bag, and then you can actually use it as like a clutch. Hold it in your arm, or you can actually hold it in your hand as well. That's a cute idea. I think that I might end up doing that eventually for like an evening look. One thing I forgot to mention too is this bag is made in Italy. So wear and tear, I've had the bag for about 1.5 to 2 years now, but I've probably only used it maybe a handful of times. I haven't noticed any wear, tear, or damage or anything that's come up on the bag yet. There's definitely no color transfer. There's no marks or anything on the corners from when it might be hitting things when I am wearing it. It does tend to sit quite close to my side and doesn't move around a lot when I am wearing it. There's no warping or anything that's happening at the top where the magnet is from opening the bag. You do kind of have to go to the corner and pry it open. I have seen a lot of people actually, they get their fingernails down and then this way and then pry it open. I would be worried that your fingernail would damage the glazing that's on the edge of the leather where the leather is meeting. I have been just opening it at the corner like this and then running my fingers through and opening up the rest, and that seems to be opening it no problem without creating any damage at all. So I think that wraps up my review for the Gucci Ophidia bag. If I missed anything, please just add it to the comments below and I'll respond to you guys down in the comments. So I have ordered a few things online that I'm going to be able to share with you probably in the next few weeks or so. I did have an Aritzia order that I put through, so I'm going to be able to do an Aritzia haul for you guys. I have another clothing order that I put through, so I'll share that with you guys maybe in a separate video. I might not do that in the same video. I think I'll do the Aritzia video separate. There was one item from my 2020 wish list that I have managed to get my hands on, so I'm going to be sharing that with you guys in the near future. I also have some furniture that I've ordered that I want to share with you guys. There's one item that I'm going to be using for filming, so I'm really excited about that. I don't know how you guys feel about having my bed in the backdrop. I am looking to switch it up a little bit, so I'm super excited about this item just to give my videos a little bit of a different feel. I was able to film one time in my closet. I don't know if that's the best setup for filming. Let me know how you guys feel though about, I'm actually just sitting on like a bench right now. I don't actually include the bench in the shot though because it is really, really damaged. It's very frayed, so I kind of just take it out of the filming when I am positioning my camera. So I'm excited to have the other item that I've ordered. You're going to be able to see more full body views when I am going to be filming. So I think that might be a little bit easier when I am showing you guys things, like if I'm trying on a bag or just simply just being able to put on a pair of shoes to be able to show you guys. So stay tuned for that. I'm very excited for that. It's probably going to be arriving in the next week or so. So I should have that in the next couple of videos. I should have it all ready to go, and then I can show you guys that item as well. I also have some items for the living room that I want to show you guys. I ordered a new rug as well as a new side table, a couple of side tables actually, so I'm going to be showing you guys those in a future video. So another item that I have picked up actually just yesterday is an Apple Watch. This is my very first Apple Watch, so I'm just wearing it today for the first time. So I want to wear it for a little while and then figure out how I'm going to be using it. And I'd love to do a review for you guys on that as well. So let me know if you guys are interested in that. So stay tuned for any future videos, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.